Now we're moving on with the second part of the same lesson, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Can you think of another English word for instructor? Yeah, it's like teacher, trainer. They're pretty much similar words. What is first aid? A first aid, again, is how you treat or deal with some injury, some problem, maybe a medical problem when a fire takes place. Now, what is Mr. Al-Ghamdi's real job? Oh, there is a really nice point, something important I need to tell you here. When you just face this kind of an Arabic name, don't go like, "What is Mr. Al-Ghamdi?" No, it doesn't spell like this. You need to spell it out the way it is in Arabic because the other person should understand this is in Arabic sorry, a word that originates from Arabic, not English. So you can say, what is Mr. Al-Ghamdi's real job? Yeah, that's how you should be spelling it. We don't know what's his job because we don't know, we didn't have the listening to listen to, and we don't have the transcripts. But we can pretty much guess he's a first aid instructor. Now, which are the most common accidents in the home? Uh, in well, actually, the answer is available here again in question 6. Like, can you explain these? Well, these are the type of accidents in the home, like burns, getting burned, somewhere around your neck, your hand, your leg, or probably your feet. God forbid. Scalds. Yeah, scalding. I'm gonna get to this point where you can get scolds by boiling water in the kitchen while you're maybe cooking or something, or maybe because you're drinking something hot and you're not careful with it. And then there is electrocution. Yeah, pretty much happens a lot. It could be happening to anybody if they're not really careful or don't have enough knowledge about dealing with electricity. And suffocation, it's just pretty much similar to what this baby's having or this child is getting into. He's putting a bag over his face, and that's where he's gonna get suffocated. God forbid, it's a picture. And poisoning is all about getting poisoned because of using a medication. There is a really important tip to give to all students here. If there's a really good percentage where a doctor can actually make a wrong prescription to you, and so it could actually cause you some poisoning in your body, and you really need to know that not everything prescribed by a doctor means that it just doesn't mean there is a chance of getting sick because of it. What? No, you could actually get poisoning out of it. Now, this is the scalds, as in picture C. The kid is gonna get scald because of touching a boiling water, and sometimes it could come out of steam. Now look at this picture, which is D. That's an electrocution, as you can see here and see, but it doesn't really have to be that somebody who's professionally working with electrical machines that he's gonna get electrocuted, but actually at home you get electrocuted by just touching the plugs, or getting your fingers as maybe a baby inside the um, whatever the outlets and so on. Let me check here what kind of time we still have. Well, yeah, we do have some time. Now look at the pictures on the right and answer the following questions below. Who is going to be scolded? Well, the boy in picture C is going to be scolded. Who is going to be electrocuted? The man in picture D is going to be electrocuted. I'd like to actually write the answers down for you so you can just um, kind of pay attention to the fact that when you make an answer, you have to really focus on how you're actually answering. Now, with question number 1, there are many ways you can answer this, but remember last time we said any question with who is very easy to answer. You just need to replace who, and so you can say, who is going to be scolded? The boy in picture C is going to be scolded. And notice again, I just replaced who with the boy in picture C. Okay, so let me just focus here again on how it works. See, it's just exactly the same. Now, with number 2, who's going to be electrocuted? Again, who? You can say the man in picture D is going, oopsie, to be electrocuted. Bit slow with the typing today, but that should still be fine. Now, who's going to be suffocated? The child in picture A. Oopsie. The child in picture A is going to be suffocated. Now, well, I'm just trying to focus here on how it all matches out together. Yeah, it's really important to focus on these parts because some students just focus on what they see. They don't really focus on anything else. Pardon me, everyone. Now, with number 4, who is going to be poisoned? The old man in picture B is going to be poisoned. Sorry to being late, and we're done for today.